Lakshmi. How are you all doing today? I am here as part of the lifestyle and fitness series by Habitatschools. Today I have come up with a challenge. It's a plank challenge. So plank helps us stabilize our core muscles. It helps us strengthen our core muscles. But we are not moving any of our hands or legs. We are keeping our body in a straight line and holding it so that we build tension on our core. Also, it works on our entire body because we are using our hands and legs to hold our body in place. How long did you hold it for? Please take a video of you doing the plank and then send it across to us so that we can post in our social media. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video.